Now we will create a program in Python to accept a string and reverse the individual words of the string. I mean, if input is hello dear, then the output will be OLLEH space RAED, the reversing of individual words. OLLEH is the reversing of hello and RAED is the reversing of dear. So the program is to accept a string and then print the reverse of individual words. So let's see the logic. Show line numbers. In line number 3, str receives the string as it is equals to input enter a string. Then in line number 4, a space is added before the string and after the string. This is added because a concept is used. A space is added here as well as space is added here. We will start from the beginning of the index as we get a space. So the first space we get here, and from there we take a step back and then we move backward till we get another space. So at this space, if it is 0, we will move back and we won't find anything, so it won't print anything. Then we will get a space here. From here we will revert back and we will print OLELEH and we will get another space, so we will stop here. In the similar fashion, we will get the last word and after that a space. So it will encounter a space, it will print reverse RAED and it will stop at this space. So starting is from space and we have to end as we get another space. So this is a concept. So that's why at line number 4, space has been added in the beginning of the string and at the end of the string. In line number 5, L equals to len str, so we will get the length of the string. In this case, length of the string will be, because we have added 2 space, and if the string is hello dear, so 0 1 2 length of the string is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12, the last space 1 2 3 4 5 4 9 and 3 spaces 12, so length is 12. For I in range, in line number 6, for I in range L, so it will start from 0 and L is 12, so it will stop at 11th index, that is the last space. Okay. In line number 7, there is a condition if str equals space. So we get the space here. So if this condition is true, j equals to I minus 1. So I is 0 and j becomes minus 1. Then there is another loop while strj not equals to space. While strj, j is having minus 1, str minus 1 not equals space, it is not true because minus 1 if there is no character at this place. So we won't print anything. Next I will move to 1, then this will not be true. Then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At 6 index I will be 6, then this condition will be true if str equals space. Then j will become 5, and then while strj not equals space, so it will print strj and nothing, so it will print O, then j equals j minus 1, then it will print L, E, H, and then we get a space, so this loop is terminated. Then this print statement is to print a space. OLLEH has been printed, then print a space. Next I move from D, E, A, R and it gets a space here. Again this gets true, j becomes I minus 1 and j starts from here, R, A, E, D, and at this place while loop is terminated and I also terminates. So we get the reverse of the string. Let's run the program. I love Python. I evolve Python. So program is working fine. Let's run another string. Hello dear, how are you? hello, OLLEH, RAED, WHERAUOY. So the program is working fine. So that's all about this individual words reversing. In this program we have learned how to reverse individual words of a string. Okay, take care.